Hello, hello, hello. This is Lily Blow Pearl TV in the building. Your favorite crazy girl. Welcome once more. For all those who are new, please do not forget to subscribe and hit the red notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to watch. And for all my old subscribers, you're welcome once more. I'm grateful. I want to talk some thing we don't bother my mind since 2 days now, I think, about Bridget Benjamin. Other they call in mother hen or finally which one be name, I don't actually know. I don't know whether I'll call you now say auntie or sister or wait, because the saga where you don't cause them for social media, I need to understand. Now you talk say you want empower women them. Now you talk say you dey fight for women them. Now you talk say you be women affair. You stand for women affair. But small girls they as you call we say small young YouTuber them, upgoing YouTuber them. Man go struggle get 1,000 subscribers. You can't go report e account. You know what it means for get 1,000 subscribers before Facebook the thing say get for monetize you. Mommy, I be get 100 subscribers. I want see YouTube don't take all my subscribers today. I did for 25. I want Chris. And I know say before Dopest Tiara, that our sister where the fighty. Whether I don't una follow that one master or bet for my best of my knowledge. I know say Dopest Tiara don't married. For your own case, I know if you talk about them. Now issue for this one auntie Bridget Benjamin. The way you do that's some very, very bad thing. It's more than killing. You go hide under fake profile, but you don't comment for plenty places the way they know say that profile now you get them. Wait till you go gain. If it be say YouTube bring down this was sister account. And why you give away think like a mother? Where you talk say you dey for movie industry, where you talk say you want empower woman them. So you talk say you want work and give woman to other women the vaccine where they bring down some other women them. But what you do? You have bring her down and you are bringing her down. Her stressed. I know what it mean. I never even get the 1,000 subscribers. Then I sit in the process. I need to sleep. I need to sleep. Now my chair this so. Now my chair this. I go sleep for 3 o'clock night. I want wake up. I give a can check my laptop. Whether my live stream don't do her. I give a do sub for sub. You know what you all the inside the business. You know what YouTube me. No be Facebook. Will know the struggle. Any man will be monetized. No be bonbon and colisi. Mother hen, for God's sake, you are a mother. I don't want to say you be hypocrite, but it is more than evil. And when you go snap, they kind of thing they make and they work across you. Some person, some picky way, in every rich picky way, if you born them, yeah, picky way born them, pass it, go stand for public disgrace you because you don't give them a chance, you don't give them a go ahead. As a mother, you see and say, na ye. Say, you don't use on your content. Oh, we no man know the way they create content all in life. You must go for some side, watch some video, take some small part, take them for this side, join them with your own idea, make them a better place. You no make them say, all man are content creator. You get how many content the way you don't create on your own way if you stand boss for. I beg you for God's name. None I say will actually hate you. Now your attitude towards the social media where they make and people then they get hatred, envy. People are watching in a distance. Silence watcher than they. I beg you for God's name. And when you be a celebrity for 237, I beg. Don't be serious, I don't even write you apology letter. Why, mommy? You want me do? You really do you wait? Now, things why they talk for my live show all the time. Saying people that they keep person for nothing. You're bringing her down for nothing. For nothing. Even if it get issue with you or you don't pass for some place, talk about your name. Now the time this way God don't give am say me you and him meet up one-on-one so that you fit talk for you as a mother, as a sister, as a friend. Take and say you don't know him for no place. Forget about social media. Usually work and you meet up, you know go help you. I beg, Bridget Benjamin, you have done more than what I was expecting from you. I don't hear plenty thing them. Oh, you want give vaccine, this and that, but not up to this level. You don't even involve people that are massacring inside their family member, but not up to this level. You say you want be a woman, you want create an empowerment for women. You should be doing something that will create a change and impact. Or any man who want be a successful person, you must know say for be a successful person for their life. People then must take advantage of you. You know, say people then go curse you, they go humiliate you, they go do whatever thing. People then not go even appreciate what you don't ever do for them. But you don't have to say it out there if you're doing it with your clean heart. If you're doing it with your clean heart. Thank you very much for watching, and I still remain your faithful Liblo Pearl in the building. Stay safe. Ciao.